How to see Spotify Wrapped on computer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you wish to check out your Spotify Wrapped on your computer, we hate to break it, but Spotify Wrapped is only available for your Spotify application. So in your Spotify application, what you can do is just search for spotify.com/wrapped. Then it will redirect you to your Spotify application where you will find multiple of advertisement regarding your songs, your annual music, artist and whatnot. It will take you about 2 to 5 minutes to complete the all advertisement and at the last you will find your top artists along with the top songs played. So in your PC, what you can do is you can still check out the global charts, that is the top track of 2024 global and these kind of playlists. But to check out your own rap, you need to tune into your Spotify app. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.